Are you looking for the perfect combination kit with a red dot magnifier and reflex sight? Well, I have the perfect combination package for you from Feyachi. Once you have everything unboxed, we have the reflex sight, instruction manual, the red dot 3x magnifier manual, cleaning cloth, attachment screws, bracket hardware. These are these LR44 batteries, Allen wrench, and here is this is the reflex sights, okay, with the attachment hardware, and this is the red dot magnifier. Alright, so let's take a look at the RS30 reflex sight. If you are to attach it to your rifle, it goes in like this. You just tighten it, okay? And here is the facing front. This is for the dot centering screw, which provides the elevation. Okay, you can alter it. And then this is for the dot centering screw for the windage. Alright, so if you adjust it to how you would like it for your viewing pleasure, okay, like that. And let's say if you have it mounted, you hit this button right here, it will rotate it to 90 degrees one direction, okay. And here's continue where we will mount it. And this is what it looks like looking at the reflex sight from the camera angle. Alright, let's take a look at the 3x red dot magnifier. So let's go ahead and screw here. This is where we put the battery. This is a battery compartment for the LR44 batteries. Oh, looks like it's already in here. Okay. So this is the brightness setting. We have the windage adjustment using Allen wrench. And here is the reticle selector knob. And this is the elevation adjustment for the red dot. This is actually the on-off switch too. So let me go ahead and press this on. You guys see that? This is this crosshair, which is a circle with a dot in the middle. Okay, so that is the crosshair. All right, switching it to that. This is a typical crosshair. See that? Like that. And then one more. And that's a circle with the dot in the middle. We have 3 options to play with once again. How awesome is that? Oh yeah, I want to show you that you can increase the brightness intensity too. Hold down to turn off. So let's just imagine this is my rifle setup right here. Now I have the combination of the red dot with the 3x magnifier along with the reflex sight in conjunction. It's going to be greater position in my shot selections and making my pistol look tactical and always at the ready. So if you're looking for the perfect combination to add to your rifle, definitely give the Feyachi brand a look.